spring trap.
Yes. And where are we today?
Texas Frightmare Weekend.
Yes.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.
Please visit the Mission 22 table live.
I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.
Here's Johnny. In Texas, under evening spell, where dark and shadows start to swell, adventures wild for Team AJ, a frightful weekend's on display. Monsters lurking, ghosts in sight. Prepare yourself for endless fright. Welcome to prime time, bitch. Has just begun.